Still laughing. Still laughing. Now I'm real serious. That's what it is, man.
So what are you doing, Jen?
I'm fixing my computer. My hinge is broken. You can see it.
I'm gonna zoom in. Check this out. This is a 1969
and there's 4 screws.
Gateway laptop.
What?
Yeah, who buys Gateway anymore?
It's my hoopty of a laptop. Definitely past its prime. This is me screwing. It's hanging. There's 4 screws that screw into the hinge, and it's hanging on its last screw. So, yeah. But once I screw it back in, it's like new.
Liking it.
So, see? And voila!
That's nice.
It stands. And it turns on. Okay.
In these streets, in the bay, in these streets, can it get like this, man? Niggas, let me talk to these cats, man. Check it out. Yo.